Hello everyone. Today we will continue with the exercise 5.3. In last class I have discussed first main question and second main question, and with that first question of third main. Okay. Today I will solve third question of third main. So in an AP, third question of third main in exercise 5.3, what they have given here in third question, given A is equal to 5, third question, A12 is equal to 37, A12 is equal to 37, D is equal to 3, D is equal to 3, find A and S12, find A and S12. So here in third problem they have given A12 is equal to 37 and D is equal to 3. Find, we have to find out A value and S12 value. So now I will consider here A12 as ANth value. So AN is equal to 37. AN is equal to 37. So A12th value is considered as nth value, means last term. So AN is equal to 37 means what is the n value? A12 is equal to 37. Now AN is considered as 37. So n value is, what is n value? 12. Okay. So now again what they have given? D is equal to 3. D is equal to 3, and here we have to find out first A value. Before calculating the sum of 12 terms, we have to find out A value. So now we know value of AN, N and D, and we have to calculate value of A. What is this formula we can use to calculate A value? So here we can use AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, because already we know value of AN, N and D. So by these values easily we can calculate value of A, right? So AN value is 37. AN value is 37 is equal to A plus n. N value is 12. So n minus 1 means 12 minus 1. Next, D value. What is D value here? 3. Okay. So 37 is equal to, in next step, 37 is equal to A plus 12 minus 1 means 11. So 11 into 3. 11 into 3, what is the value? 33. So here 37 is equal to A plus 33. So now I will send this 33 to left hand side. So A is equal to 37. So this positive integer will become negative integer. So 37 minus 33. Therefore A value is, what is the A value? 37 minus 33 means A value is 4. Right? Next, we have to calculate sum of 12 terms. So Sn. What is the Sn formula? Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Correct? Now we have to calculate sum of 12 terms. So S12. S12 means n value is, what is n value? 12. 12 by 2 into bracket 2 into a means, what is the a value? 2 into 4 plus n minus 1. What is n value? 12. So 12 minus 1 into D. What is the D value here? 3. So now 12 by 2 means 2 1s are 2 6s are. So here in next step S12 is equal to 6 because 2 1s are 2 6s are 12. So here I will write directly 6 into bracket 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8 plus 12 minus 1 into bracket, 12 minus 1 bracket complete 3. 12 minus 1 means 11. 11 into 3 means, what is the answer? 11 into 3, 33. So here we got 6 into 8 plus 33. 8 plus 33, what is the answer? 41. So here 6 into 41. What is the answer we will get? 6 into 41 means 6 1s are 6, 6 4s are 24. So sum of 12 terms is 246. S12 is 246 and A value is 4. Next, I will solve fourth one. I hope you all are clear with the third problem. Next, fourth one. In fourth problem, what they have given is equals to, given A3 is equal to 15, A3 is equal to 15, S10 is equal to 125. S10 is equal to 125. What they have asked? Find D and A10. Find D and A10. They have given A3 value. A3 is equal to 15. S10 125. We have to find out D value and A10 value. So now I will consider this A3 value as AN value. So I will write AN is equal to 15. AN is equal to 15. A3 is equal to 15. I considered as AN value. So AN is 15. Now N is equal to, what is N value now? A3 is considered as AN. So N is equal to 3. Next, what they have given? S10 value. What is S10 value? 125. Right, and they ask to calculate D value and A10 value. Okay, so first I will write the formula. an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here an value is 15 is equal to, what is a value? We have to calculate that. We don't know a value also. Next, plus n value is 3 minus 1, and we don't know value of d also. So here 15 is equals to, next 15 is equal to a plus 3 minus 1 into d. 3 minus 1 into d means 3 minus 1 2. So 2d. This is considered as equation 1 because we don't know value of a and d also. So now I will calculate with the help of formula Sn. Okay, I will consider this Sn is equal to 125 as Sn. Sn is considered as 125, and what is the n value here? Suppose Sn is considered as 125, then n value is 10. Okay. Next, what is the Sn formula? Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. So here Sn value is 125. 125 is equal to, what is the n value? 10. So 10 by 2 into bracket 2 into a. What is a value? They have not given. 2 into a only, plus, and n value is considered as 10 here. So 10 minus 1 into d. Okay. So here 10 by 2 means 2 ones are 2 5s are. 125 is equals to 5 into bracket 2a plus 10 minus 1 9d. Sorry, 10 minus 1 means 9. 9 into d 9d. Now I will send this 5 to left hand side. So now it will become divided by. So 125 divided by 5 is equals to 2a plus 9d. What I did in this step? 125 is equal to 5, 2a plus 9d. So in this step what I did? I will send this 5 to left hand side, so it will become divided by 125 divided by 5 is equal to 2a plus 9d. So 125 divided by 5 means 5 1s are 5 2s are 10, 2 is remaining, so it will become 25, 5 5s are 25. Right. So now it becomes 25 is equal to 2a plus 9d. So now also I haven't got any value of a or d. So I will consider this as equation 2. 25 is equal to 2a plus 9d. Now I will compare this equation 1 with equation 2. What is equation 1? 15 is equal to a plus 2d, and equation 2 is 25 is equal to 2a plus 9d. What I can do to get value of d? Here it is 2a, here it is a. In equation 2 it is 2a, in equation 1 it is only a. So I will multiply equation 1 by 2. So I will get 2a. By getting 2a, I can easily get the value of d, because I will subtract equation 3 by 2. So 2 and 2a cancels. Easily I can get the value of D. See here. What I did? Equation 1 is multiplied by 2. Here equation 1 is multiplied by 2. Now it becomes 15 into 2 means 30 is equal to a into 2a plus 2d into 2. What is the value? 2d into 2 means 4d. I will consider this as equation 3. What I did? I multiplied equation 1 by 2 because to get the value of a as 2a. In equation 2 we have a value as 2a. Here to get 2a value I am multiplying equation 1 by 2. So 15 into 2 30, a into 2 2a, 2d into 2 4d. I have considered this as equation 3. Now what I will do? Equation 2 minus equation 3. Equation 2 minus equation 3. So here it is equation 2 and equation 3. 25 minus 30. What is the answer? 25 minus 30 means what I will get? Minus 5. Okay. So here next 2a minus 2a. 2a minus 2a means 0, cancels. Next 90 minus 4d. 90 minus 4d means 5d. So now I will send this d to left hand side. D is equal to minus 5 by 5 means what is the answer? Minus 1. So I got d value as minus 1. So here in equation 1 I will insert d value as minus 1. So here 15 is equal to a plus 2d. 2 into d means minus 1. We got the d value minus 1. So here 15 is equal to a. 2 into minus 1 means minus 2. So now I will send this minus 2 to left hand side. Now it will become positive integer. So 15 plus 2. What is the answer? 17. Therefore a value is 17. Correct? And they asked to calculate A10 value. We got D value and A value. By using these values we can easily calculate A10 value. I will write it here. What is the D value we got here? Minus 1. And what is the A value we got? 17. Okay. So now we have to calculate which value? A10 value. So an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. And here we are calculating A10 value. What is the A value? Just now we have calculated A value is 17 plus what is the n value? A10 means n value is 10 minus 1. What is the D value? Minus 1. Right? So 17, next step 17 plus 10 minus 1 means 9. 9 into minus 1 minus 9. 9 into minus 1 minus 9. So A10 value is 17 minus 9. 17 minus 9 means what is the answer? 8. So therefore A10 value is 8. So D value is minus 1 and A10 value is 8. First what I did, by considering A3 as An, I got the first equation, and after that I considered S10 is equal to 125 as Sn value, and I got this second equation. After that I multiplied equation 1 by 2. I multiplied equation 1 by 2. So I got the equation third. Now I subtracted equation 2 from equation 3. Now I got the D value. What is that? D is equal to minus 1. By inserting the D value into equation 1, I got the A value as 17, and now I will calculate A10 value by using the An formula. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So here I can easily calculate A10 value, because just now we have calculated A value and D value, and I will consider n value as 10 only. Okay. Next I will solve fifth problem. Fifth problem, that is also similar to the fourth one. Try to solve that. Now I will solve sixth one. What they have given in sixth problem? Given A is equal to 2, D is equal to 8, Sn is equal to 90, find N and An. Okay, what they have given? A value, D value and Sn value. We have to calculate N and An. First I will use the formula. An is equal to what is the formula? An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now I don't have the value of An. So An is equals to, what is A value? 2. They have given directly. A is equal to 2. Next, plus n minus 1. We don't have the value of n. So n minus 1. I will write it as it is. And D value. They have given D value, so 8. Next, An is equal to, next step, An is equal to 2 plus n minus 1 into 8 means, first I will write A10, n into 8 means A10 minus 1 into 8 means minus 8. Okay. Now An is equal to A10 2 minus 8. What is the answer of 2 minus 8 plus 2 minus 8? What is the answer? Plus into minus, minus we have to subtract. So 8 minus 2 means 6, and the sign in front of the bigger value is minus. So answer is minus 6. So it is 8n minus 6. n is equal to 8n minus 6. Now I don't have the values of an and n. So I will consider this as equation 1. Okay. So now I will use the formula of Sn. What is the formula? Sn is equal to n by 2. Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. They are given Sn value. What is Sn value? 90 is equals to, what is n value? They have not given. So n by 2 into bracket 2a. What is the a value? They have given directly a value as 2 plus, we have to calculate n value, so n minus 1, and they have given d value as 8. So now what I will do? 90 is equals to n by 2 into bracket 2 into 2 4 plus n into 8 8n minus 1 into 8 minus 8. Okay. So here 90 is equals to n by 2. 4 minus 8 means plus 4 minus 8. What is the answer? Plus into minus, minus we have to subtract. 8 minus 4 means 4, and the sign in front of the bigger value is minus. So minus 4. So here I will write 8n minus 4. 4 minus 8 means answer is minus 4. So now 90 is equals to n by 2. In 8n minus 4, I will take common 2 outside. Okay, 2 into 4n. 2 into 4n means 8n only. 2 into 4n. 8n minus 2. Minus 2 means 2 into minus 2 means minus 4 only. So now I can easily divide 2, this 2 and this 2. Okay. So here what I got? 90 is equals to n into bracket 4n minus 2. 90 into bracket, 90 is equals to n into bracket 4n minus 2. So here in next step 90 is equal to n into 4n means n into 4n means 4n square minus n into minus 2. What is the answer? Minus 2n. Okay. So now I will take this 90 to right hand side. So it will become 4n square minus 2n plus positive integer will become negative integer minus 90 is equal to 0. So this becomes quadratic equation. So to solve quadratic equation, here what is the a value? A value is 4, b value is minus 2 and c value is minus 90. Okay. So here to solve this quadratic equation, I have to make factorization. So a into c, what is the answer? 90 into 4 means, a into c means minus 90 into 4. So 90 into 4 means 4 zeros are 0, 4 nines are 36. So minus 360. When I multiply two factors, I should get minus 360, and when I add or subtract, I should get b value. What is the b value here? Minus 2. So what are the two factors? When I multiply, I should get minus 360, and when I add or subtract, I should get minus 2. So here minus 20 plus 18 are the factors. Why? When you multiply 20 into 18, you will get 360. Minus 20 into 18, answer is minus 360. And if you add minus 20 plus 18, minus 20 plus 18 means you will get answer minus 2 only. So here factors of this quadratic equation is 4n square minus 20n plus 18n. Minus 20 plus 18 are the factors. Minus 20n plus 18n minus 90 is equals to 0. So now in 4n square minus 20n, what I can consider as common? 4n. So here, if I consider 4n into n minus 5. Why? 4n into n means 4n square only, and minus 5 means 4n into minus 5 means 4 into 5, 20. So 20n minus 20n. Next, here in 18n minus 90, what I can take as common? Plus 18. Plus 18. Okay. If I take 18 as common, here in bracket I will write n. So 18 into n, it will become 18n. Next, minus 18 into 5 is equal to minus 90 only. 8 also is equal to 0. Next, n minus 5 is the common here. Now I will consider 4n plus 18, 4n plus 18 into n minus 5 is equal to 0. 4n plus 18 into n minus 5 is equal to 0. So now 4n plus 18 is equal to 0, or n minus 5 is equal to 0. So now 4n is equal to minus 18. Why? Plus 18 will become minus 18 because I am taking it to right hand side. Okay. So now n is equal to minus 18 by 4. 4n is equal to minus 18. Now n is equal to minus 18 divided by 4. Okay. Now on the other hand, n minus 5 is equal to 0 means n is equal to 5. Why? Because I will transfer this 5 to right hand side. So now n is equal to 5. Okay. So we got two answers for n value. N is equal to minus 18 by 4 and n is equal to 5. What we can consider now? Answer is n is equal to 5. Why? Because always n value should be positive integer. It should be positive integer. So here n is equal to 5. Now I got the n value. Now they asked an value. So n is equal to 5. So here now I will write here below equation 1. First we got equation 1. In the place of equation 1, I will insert this value n is equal to 5. So here an is equal to 8 into, what is the n value? 5 minus 6. So now 8 5s are 40 minus 6. What is the answer? 40 minus 6 means 34. So now we have calculated n value and an value. What we did in this problem? So here they are given a, b, sn value. We have to find out n and an value. First I used the an formula and we don't have values of an and n. So we got the equation 1. Next after that I used the Sn formula, and when I used Sn formula I got the quadratic equation 4n square minus 2n minus 90 is equal to 0. So by using the factorization method I got the 2n values minus 18 by 4 and n is equal to 5. So I will consider n as 5. Why? Always n should be positive integer. After this I will insert this n value into the equation 1 to get the an. So now an value is 34. Okay. So in next class I will continue with further problems. Thank you all.